this video today we're going to try and fix this switch which has seized itself up. It's completely frozen. If you have a look now, it's stuck on the Fortnite loading screen and it's not letting us do anything. If we hold down the home button, it's not doing anything. Even if we were to press the power button up here, it's still not doing anything. All we're going to do is reset the switch, and to reset it all we have to do is hold down the power button for around about 10 seconds and then it should force it to shut down, and when we turn it back on it should work okay again. So we're going to hold down the power button now. So I'm pressing it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, and now you can see it's forced itself to turn it off, and now we're just going to turn it back on and hopefully it should be all working again. There we go, and now it's working again.